2 weeks ago, the Indian government decided to export 2.5 million tons of wheat. Exports of wheat have been opened after they were banned in May 2022. However, it will be a tough task to ship wheat from India. Let's see why. Hi, Namaste. The Indian government has decided to allow exports of wheat to ensure remunerative prices to growers. But domestic prices of wheat have dropped to 2,527 rupees a quintal in the first half of this month from 2,587 rupees in January. But exports are not going to be an easy task, as domestic wheat prices are higher than global rates. This is particularly so because the government has fixed the minimum support price of wheat at 2,585 rupees a quintal. Currently, domestic wheat delivered at Kandla port from Rajasthan, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh costs $285 to $288 a ton. If a freight rate of $20 a ton is taken into account for the Middle East and Southeast Asia, the cost and freight could be $305 to $308 a ton. At the same time, if Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh wheat is to be shipped from Vizag, it could cost $306 to $310 a ton. In comparison, global wheat prices are rolling at $260 a ton. A difference of over $45 a ton is too huge in the global market. As a result, Indian wheat will not be able to compete internationally. Also, farmers are unlikely to offer wheat below the minimum support price. In comparison, global trading companies such as Olam International and Louis Dreyfus are offering wheat for the second half of March between $286 and $290 a ton. However, there is one option for India to export wheat. It can be by road or rail to Bangladesh. If wheat is exported from Bihar by road or rail, it could cost $283 a ton compared with the current landing price of $270. That seems to be the best option. Traders say the best case scenario is that India can export a maximum of 1 million tons, and that too from Bihar. Traders say that with a new regime taking over in Bangladesh under Tariq Rahman, India could look at a government-to-government export of wheat. India is under pressure to export wheat as its ending stocks as of March 31 could be at a 10-year high of 21 million tons. Currently, the Food Corporation of India has 25.31 million tons of wheat stocks. With the upcoming wheat crop looking good and chances of government providing subsidies for exports being nil, there is a question mark about how India will compete in the export market. However, drought-bearing El Niño is forecast after June this year. It could change the scenario in the global market. That's something optimistic India has to look out for. On that optimistic note, let's keep smiling and be happy until we meet again. This is Subramani Mankumbu signing off. Good luck.